On 28th of August, Karbi Students Association, Dillai Head Branch celebrated its glorious 42 years of establishment. To commemorate the anniversary, felicitation ceremony to the successful candidates of HSLC, HS, graduation and other competitive exams was organized at Joseph Terang Memorial Hall, Dillai Playground. The celebration was started with the organizational flag hoisting ceremony at early hours by Bikram Kro, President, Dillai Head Branch, while Brojan Hanse, Secretary, Dillai Head Branch, led the praying ceremony to the predecessors of Dillai Head Branch. Longki Timung, founder Karbi Students Association, Dillai Head Branch, ex-speaker, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, attended as the chief guest of the event. Thangsing Timung, President Karbi Students Association, Central Executive Committee, George Timung, Assistant Debating Secretary, Karbi Students Association, CEC, Liladhar Teron, Ex-General Secretary, Karbi Lamet Amay, Baliram Ingti, Forest Beat Officer, Joycing Timung, Social Worker, and several notable dignitaries of the region attended the event. The successful candidates of HSLC, HS graduation and other competitive exams were felicitated at mid-noon in presence of all the guests during the public meeting. Several guests of the event exchanged their words of encouragement with the students. Bikram Kro, President Dillai Head Branch, while speaking to us, informed that the organization would give their 100% efforts towards the upliftment of education sector. They would assist the Education Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in transforming education system in Karbi Anglong, and in amidst the organization would also take the opportunity in providing awareness program at various locations.
Anglong Autonomous Council Jasemetpet Education Department pian kabor ipon iltum Karbi Anglong abang education lain kapacing thorponji pulabang so akimang do labang halabang so akimang law nitum Karbi lochare song Dillai rupi penstami chisiglo alang nitum long kachirap dunje phan lasilabang so non prabjin pan nitum labang so school visits tame nitum chirap dun po.
Longki Timung, founder Karbi Students Association Dillai Head Branch, ex-speaker Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while addressing his speech, expressed his happiness and gratitude towards the glorious 42nd anniversary of Karbi Students Association Dillai Head Branch. He also advised the children and youths to give their utmost priority towards education, as education has the power to lead, empower, and to make the difference.
Pini alang KSA hatempan kipuang tunggal apa kecali bang unan boi nai artinya kecali awet bang elang prapu nasi mupen dan pulang hala merong ke don cap kita kecali dokok ponte menang perpu jose kecali komsam pada mamia harong ke don parusi dopo jose kecali komsam ponte bang elang prapu.
Thangsing Timung, President Karbi Students Association, also expressed his gratitude and best wishes towards Karbi Students Association Dillai Head Branch for organizing felicitation program which would encourage and motivate the students to excel in their further studies. He also advised the students to focus on quality education rather than quantity education.
Charlie bang Charlie Jongjong, quality bang maintain energy. Quality maintain ti petang te nang li non akai long ke kapre our side bisara lam non competitive exam long participation bang nang unu de ji ate education me jong se quality mesensi petang te halai examination long itum bapidut kubji lasi de week mit hon kachung tikang ma suggestion tikang lalon antum ke Charlie pore nang tum Charlie Jongjong gali nang ji ka Charlie bang Charlie paminang ji.
Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dillai, Karbi Anglong Live.